हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन सेव ट्रीज। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। Save trees is a slogan used to motivate people to save trees and plant more trees in the surrounding areas by spreading the importance of trees among people as well as reduce deforestation and cut down of trees. Trees are as much important to our life as food and water. Trees are our wealth on planet Earth. We depend on trees for our sustenance. We depend on trees for the oxygen that keeps us alive. Our food too comes from trees. Trees gives us life and really very much important for the survival on the earth. Trees are the best friend of a human being. The whole living being is dependent on the trees. Trees are the main source of rain on the earth as they attract clouds which ultimately bring rain. Trees prevent soil erosion and keep the environment fresh by preventing the pollution. Save trees, save a life is not only a slogan, it is a reality and our responsibility to all of us to save our healthy environment and green earth. Trees are very helpful and useful friends of humanity. They clean soil by filtering sewage and chemicals, control noise pollution, air pollution, reduce flash flooding, etc. By saying the importance and value of trees in our life, we should honor and save the trees in order to save life and environment. Conclusion: trees are an important part of our life. We cannot imagine a life without trees. Trees give us food, shade, shelter, and much more than that. If we start cutting trees, we will have to face many adverse effects. We should save trees to save life. तो दोस्तों, ये था ऐसे ऑन सेव ट्रीज। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक यू।